You'll be my $20 bill recipient back here. Thanks so much. And then our third base, right here. Thank you. Okay, good. So, what sport do you think this story's about? Baseball. You got it. Nice. So listen, this is a true story about a boy named Shay. And Shay was in elementary school just like all of you. And he had to stay after school about half an hour, 30 minutes one day to finish a project. And as soon as he got done, his dad came to pick him up in the office. And they were going to walk home because they lived right down the street. But as soon as they got outside the school doors and turned the corner, Shay saw some of his classmates playing baseball on the field outside. So he tugs at his dad's shirt and says, Dad. You think if I ask him to play that maybe they'll say yes? Guys, can I play? And it's the bottom of the ninth inning. It's the bottom of the ninth inning. It's the last inning of the game. The game is tied. The score's tied. And there's only one out to go in the whole game. And Shay interrupts their game. He's like, guys, can I play? And they all stop what they're doing. And one girl says, not today, Shay. Maybe next time. This other boy says, Shay, you're just not really that good. This other student says, Shay, why don't you just get lost? So Shay's head's down like this, and he's ready to leave. But then this one boy steps forward and says, Shay can be on my team. Shay can be on my spot. And the boy who it is the boy who's up to bat next. And listen, Shay's barely ever played baseball before. He's barely ever hit. And a miss. Strike one. Here comes pitch number two. Just nice and easy. Swing. And a miss. Strike two. 3 strikes, you're out. The old ball game. Buy me some peanuts. Okay, sorry. Here comes pitch number 3. Nice and easy. Go ahead there. Swing. And Shay connects barely. It rolls right back to the pitcher. It's going to be an easy out. But even though it's going to be an easy out, they say, Shay, try running to first base anyway. So he starts running to first base, and the pitcher starts to chase Shay this way. Come on over here, pitcher. Thank you so much. She's just about to tag it, and then she rolls it past the first base. Goes between his legs and prevents some teachers and some fans. So he picks it up and they say, Shay, go to second. So Shay's dodging first and second graders. We heard some baseball field that day. And then first base picks up the ball. He picks it up and he starts chasing Shay this way. And he gives it to the second base. But then I guess it goes to her legs too. That's okay. So the double whammy. So she picks up the ball too and she tosses it over to the shortstop right here. Gives to the shortstop. Oh, no, it's going to everybody's legs today. Okay, that's how the story went. But the shortstop picks it up, and she bobbles like a hot potato. She's like, ooh, ooh. So they say, Shay, go to third. And Shay's going to third, and then she tosses it over here to the third base. She gets it to the third base right here. She hands it to her. But then she shows one of her teachers. She's like, oh my gosh, that ball's so beautiful. Okay, great. So then Shay goes home, and she starts chasing Shay this way. She's just about to tag Shay, but he hits the base just in time. His team wins. They pick him up on their shoulders. They say, Shay. And they're so happy that their team won.